What's up, YouTube? This is Flawless Biker, and this is my bike check on my Kink Curb 2012. Okay, starting with the top, we have the Kink Human Bars 8.75 RAS. The Animal Edwin grips, they soft, feel good, whatever. The Mission stem, stock Mission stem for the bike, and whatever Mission thing. I think one spacer, stock headset. Forks is the Kink Volte fork with a stock front rim from Walmart, whatever. Just got it. So because my front rim was messed up and I didn't have anything to ride with, so I just got this off of stock Walmart bike. I have Exposure 2.0 tires. Whatever. Can't find it right now. I have one stock bag. The frame, I have Kink Curb 2013. A Connolly, Connolly, whatever you say, seat with a, I don't know, random seat post. A Mission seat clamp. I have one Eastern peg and one Thermalite pedal because I couldn't get the other Thermalite off my other bike, so just put the Eastern on there. I have Mission cranks. They stopped from the bike. I have a stock KMC chain and a Kink 25 decimal sprocket with a Mission back rim and then another Exposure tire. So yeah, that's my bike check. I'm gonna be uploading more videos later on, probably when it gets cold outside. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.